So usually I don't like making these type of videos, and it's nothing new. YouTube has been screwing with my channel for years in terms of demonetization, censorship, and all this kind of stuff. But the reason why I'm making this video today is because it's getting quite serious, and YouTube is becoming more inconsistent and absurd and just outright unfair. It's enraging, to be honest, because as many of you know, my channel received a strike almost 2 weeks ago now, and I was unable to post or upload or do anything, right? And this was for linking a testing kit. Yes, that's right. Apparently, linking a product that promotes harm reduction and could potentially save a life, because as you know, when you buy certain substances, you never know what you're getting. So having a testing kit confirms what you are getting, right? And according to YouTube, this is an illegal or regulated / goods and services. And I'm obviously not going to go into how absurd that is and ridiculous, but it is what it is. I think what bothers me the most, or one of the things that bothers me the most about this, is the inconsistency that YouTube shows, because I seem to be the only channel that is getting targeted for this. I mean, Psych Substance has literally linked the exact same product, same company, for many, many years on all his videos. He's never once got a strike for this. Like, I'm not telling YouTube, like, go strike him. I'm just saying, like, I don't get it. Why am I getting this strike? And it's discouraging, to say the least, because sometimes talking to YouTube is like talking to a brick wall. And of course, their YouTube creator support is sort of like that episode in South Park with, sorry, would love to help you, but there's nothing we can do. Community services, you know, and it's like, it's very, very frustrating, because you can't, at the end of the day, it's basically, yeah, go fuck yourself. There's nothing we can do. You just got to wait, even if it is a mistake. And earlier this year, I received a permanent warning, and the appeal did get rejected for linking Bear Blends, which is a organic herbal blend company, which is kind of akin to Damiana, right? But then there's so many podcasts. I'm sure you have many examples of people who get sponsored by CBD products, right? Which is a regulated substance, and you need to be 18 for that, but no one's getting strikes for these. So yeah, it's very strange indeed. And I'm not just making this video just to complain, because of course the problem is when these things happen, most times people just keep their mouth shut. And it's important to stand up for others. And, you know, the Quentin experiment, he made this, he was vocal about this on his Instagram page, showed me some support, which I really appreciate. This guy's a legend, John Legend. Only some of you get that reference. But anyways, it's really important, I think, for our community band together, because, yeah, while it might seem an isolated instance, and it's just like YouTube picking on my channel, I don't know, man, you got to be careful with these things, because, yeah, for now, it might just start with my channel, but what happens if this thing continues to escalate? And then when you don't speak up for other people, then YouTube's going to be like, well, this community doesn't really do shit about it, so let's just censor them bit by bit, right? They just a little bit at a time. Because, of course, if they just delete your channel outright, there'll be an outrage for it. It wouldn't reflect well on YouTube, of course. But, yeah, I don't know. I've appealed this. I'm still waiting. It's almost been 2 weeks now. I even got my network partners who's helping me out with this. And, yeah, again, YouTube is as transparent as a brick wall. They don't tell you anything. Oh man, it's so frustrating trying to deal with them. Seriously, it's conflicting, because on one hand, I'm very grateful for YouTube for creating this platform, and you know, without YouTube, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So, on one hand, it's like they're amazing, but then when stuff like this happens, I don't know. And there are some theories for this. Some people say it's because I'm promoting these substances that expand your consciousness and all that. But again, that wouldn't really make sense, since there are so many other channels who make similar content and none of them are getting strikes. And then other people would say that, oh, it's because I'm more on the spiritual side of the fence and helping people think for themselves and promoting critical thinking. But again, there are many spiritual channels and these kind of niches that aren't getting strikes either. So I don't know what it is. I really do hope that it's just some mistake, it's just some bot. But again, I got a permanent warning for linking a herbal blend company. Permanent warning. Now, apparently most channels do not get this treatment. A warning usually disappears after 90 days, but my channel is getting special treatment. So whenever I get another strike, or if I break the community guidelines, which is very vague and always changing, then I get an automatic strike. And even if it's a mistake, I'm still not going to be able to post any content. And yeah, anyways, I don't want to rant on too much, and instead of just complaining and like, oh, what are we going to do? And it is discouraging. Of course it is, man. I try my best to be educational and follow the community guidelines, and I'm very aware of things not to do. But man, when you get a strike for a testing kit, it's like, what do you do? And after I got this, just out of pure fear, I had to go through all my past videos, like hundreds of videos, and remove this link. Even though I know I'm in the right, just because it's like, I don't know, got to choose your battles, I guess. And it's just not worth getting another strike and getting my channel shut down. And I hope this all gets fixed up, and hopefully it does. And usually in the past, I've had my appeals accepted. But once I got this first appeal rejected and a permanent warning, this completely changed my outlook on this whole process. Now, there are a few things we can do. You can go on Twitter, contact YouTube, at them, show them the outrageousness of this thing, the absurdity of striking a channel for promoting harm reduction. In this specific case, it is. I mean, yes, some people could just say like, yeah, but you're just promoting drugs, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but at least be consistent about it, because there's literally a BuzzFeed video right now on YouTube about someone getting high as a kite and getting drunk and then comparing them by doing these silly activities. There are so many videos out there who are actually promoting dangerous stuff. So if YouTube does think that what I'm doing is wrong, all I ask is for you to at least be consistent. That's it. But of course they're not. And so yeah, I would ask you to maybe go on Twitter, on Instagram, or whatever platform you choose, and actually mention them, show them your concern about this, because if we don't stand up for each other now, man, this is how it starts, man. This is how it starts. If you're vocal about this, they will listen. I hope, anyway. We can only hope, but it's better to do something than to do nothing anyway. And second of all, what we can do is, well, there are a few things, because just in case shit hits the fan, it's important to know other platforms where I'm on. So you can follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my second channel, and I would ask for you to go on my website and sign up to my email list, because of all the platforms out there, this is the one place where I am the master of my domain, right? I own my website and I have full control over my email list. And this is not just some shady way of trying to just plug my other platforms. This is actually concerning, because when I get a strike, I can't contact you. So if my channel gets shut down, I can't even send you a message and be like, guys, help, go over here, please. I have something important to say. And it's like, you know, it's very easy to just get shut down. So that being said, just go to my website, sign up to my email list. You can go on Patreon, support me there, because of course, removing all these testing kit links has probably going to be a big hit, because I was an affiliate. So that's like a whole stream of income just disappeared, because it's just not worth it. It's not worth having that anxiety for linking a testing kit. But yeah, you can check the links in the description box below. There's a few ways in which you can connect with me. I got a Discord as well. I even made a BitChute account, which a lot of people have been telling me to make. So you can go on there as well. And yeah, man, I guess we'll see how this goes. This is not going to slow me down. It's not like I'm going to just stop making controversial content. I'm just kind of getting started here. And yeah, well, I don't know. I don't know what to do about this, but I'm trying to keep my spirits high. This is why I didn't make a video immediately. You know, I've waited at least almost 2 weeks after this happened, because I don't want to just make a video purely out of this emotional reaction. But yeah, like I said, it's getting quite serious, and I don't know what to do. I think more people in our community need to speak up for this type of injustice, because if you don't, YouTube will know that, well, this community doesn't do shit when shit hits the fan. So let's continue to turn up the dial and just censor more and more and more and more and more. Like I said, hopefully this is just a mistake. Maybe it's just a bot who messed up. looked at certain tags and just assumed that it was a certain type of content promoting dangerous activity. But on the other side of the coin, there are also humans who overview these kind of decisions as well, especially when it comes to strikes and appeals. So yeah, I can't just hope and that's it. So this is why I'm making this video and asking you guys to help, whether it's messaging YouTube themselves, showing them your concerns, or going on my other platforms, just in case, poo hits the fan, whether that's on Discord, Instagram, my second channel, BitChute, email list, etc. Choose, or you can choose them all, whatever, it's up to you. Just letting you guys know what's going on. Like I said, I don't usually like to make these type of videos, especially with YouTube drama, but again, this is getting quite serious, and if I don't say anything, then what's going to happen? I don't know. I think this is kind of how these things continue to happen, this censorship and all that. It's when people keep their mouths shut and don't do anything about it. And I've been very guilty of having that attitude. It's like, oh yeah, they probably just made a mistake, or yeah, you know what, I probably deserve to get demonetized. I mean, I am talking about psychedelics, and like I get into my own head about this kind of stuff. But then you see the inconsistency, and again, that is what I have a real problem with. And while I've been waiting for this appeal, I've had more than 10 of my videos being age restricted, and most of them have been on videos of like a podcast or me just talking about mental health or overcoming drug addiction. So yeah, apparently you're going to be over 18 to have information that can potentially help with depression, drug addiction, and learn more about spirituality. So yeah, that's the world we live in, but it doesn't have to be. That's the point. We don't have to just throw our arms in the air and just give up. I think it's more important to have our voices heard and actually do something about it. Otherwise, it's just going to continue to happen. So at the end of the day, guys, YouTube is a platform that relies on us, not just the creators, but you guys who are watching this. So we do have the power. We do have the power. I got the power. Anyways, that's enough ranting for now. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and hope you're doing well. And yeah, catch you on the next video. And of course, I just want to thank all my patrons for helping us out. And yeah, everyone who's been watching, liking, sharing these videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Boom.